In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on notifications on Trello. The popular project management software. If you've ever used Trello, you know how crucial it is to stay updated with what's happening on your boards. Notifications can be your best friend in keeping track of all the activity without missing a beat. So let's get started and ensure you're always in the loop. First, open up your web browser and head over to Trello by typing in trello.com. Once you're on the site, look for the login button. It usually sits towards the top of the page, ready for you to click. Once you click on login, you'll be given a couple of options for logging in, either with your email or your Google account. Choose whichever is most convenient for you and log into Trello. After you're logged in, you'll want to navigate your way over to your boards. This is where all the magic happens in Trello, and it's the command center for your projects. Once there, take a moment to find the boards option, usually located in the main menu. Clicking on this will show you all the boards that you're part of. Now focus on the section labeled Your Workspaces. This is where you'll see a list of all the workspaces you belong to, with each workspace containing its respective boards. Find and click on the particular board you're interested in. This board is where you'll need to ensure notifications are properly set. Once on the right board, take your attention to the upper right corner of the page. Here you'll see your account icon. Clicking on your account icon will reveal a drop-down menu where you need to choose Settings. This area is key for managing your notification preferences. Within the settings, scroll down to locate the email notifications section. This is where you can tailor how Trello informs you about changes and updates. The options available will let you change the frequency of notifications. If you want notifications as they happen, select Instantly. Prefer fewer interruptions, choose the periodically option, or if you wish to switch them off entirely, Never might be the choice for you. Additionally, Trello allows you to customize your notifications even further. You can select all to receive notifications about everything, or select none if you wish to opt out completely. Alternatively, you can individually select specific types of notifications you want to receive updates on. This level of customization ensures you get exactly the amount of information you need and prevents overwhelming your inbox with too many updates. And there you have it, a simple walkthrough to enable and manage Trello notifications effectively. By following these steps, you can stay updated on your workspaces and projects more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.